Who was the founder of the Mauryan dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, Ashoka, Brihadratha. So the correct option is option A, Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya established the Maurya dynasty around 321 BC, unifying most of the Indian subcontinent under a centralized administration. Next question is, the Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? 1757, 1764, 1857, 1858. So the correct option is option A, 1757. The Battle of Plassey took place in 1757 between the British East India Company and Nawab Siraj ud Daulah of Bengal, marking the beginning of British colonial dominance in India. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi? Razia Sultan, Noor Jahan, Chand Bibi, Ahilyabai Holkar. So the correct option is option A, Razia Sultana. Razia Sultana, the daughter of Iltutmish, ruled Delhi from 1236 to 1240, 4 years of time period, becoming the first and only female monarch of the Delhi Sultanate. Next question is, the Indus Valley civilization script is what? Deciphered, pictographic, alphabetical, none of the above. So the correct option is option number B, pictographic. The script of the Indus Valley civilization consists of pictorial symbols and remains undeciphered to this day, leaving aspects of their language and administration a mystery. Next question is, who composed the Allahabad pillar inscription? Option A, Hari Sen, Kalidas, Banabhat, Vishakadatta. So the correct option is option A, Hari Sen. Hari Sen, the court poet of Samudragupta, composed the Allahabad pillar inscription, which details the conquests and achievements of Samudragupta. Next question is, the three jewels, three Ratna of Jainism are what? Right faith, right knowledge, right conduct, Buddha, Dharm, Sangh, right speech, right action, right livelihood, Satya, Ahimsa, Asatya. So your correct option is option A, right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. In Jainism, the Triratna comprises Samyak Darshana, right faith, Samyak Janana, right knowledge, Samyak Charitra, right conduct, forming the path to liberation. Who was the Viceroy of India during the Quit India movement? Lord Linlithgow, Lord Wavell, Lord Mountbatten, Lord Irwin. So the correct option is option A, Lord Linlithgow. Lord Linlithgow served as the Viceroy of India from 1936 to 1943 and was in office during the Quit India movement of 1942, a mass protest demanding an end to British rule. The Simon Commission was boycotted because what? Option A, it did not include any members. It was formed to suppress Indian revolutionaries. It supported the partition of India. It advocated for complete independence. The correct option is option A, it did not include any Indian members. The Simon Commission, established in 1927 to review constitutional reforms in India, faced widespread boycott because it comprised solely British members only, ignoring Indian representation. Next question is, who was the last Governor General of independent India? C. Rajgopalachari, Lord Mountbatten, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So the correct option is option A, C. Rajgopalachari. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari served as the last Governor General of independent India from 1948 to 1950, after which the position was abolished when India became a republic. The last question is, the Dandi March initiated by Mahatma Gandhi was a part of which movement? Non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, Swadeshi movement. The correct right option is option B, civil disobedience movement. The Dandi March of 1930, led by Mahatma Gandhi, was a non-violent protest against the British salt monopoly and marked the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. That's all for part 6 of our history MCQ series. Till then, keep learning and stay tuned for another parts.